Look here, students. Today we will do the convert frequency distribution table into less than type CF table and more than type CF table. Means here frequency distribution table will be given to you like this. This table is called a frequency distribution table, and this table we have to convert into a less than type CF table and more than type CF table. So how we can convert it is a very simple, very simple, but you have to understand only. So look here how we can do. Look here a frequency distribution table is given to you, that you can see first. Here income given here, and these are frequency given. Means 0 to 10 income is for 2, 10 to 20 is for 3, 20 to 30 is 5, 30 to 40 is 6, 40 to 50 is 5, and 50 to 60 is 3, and 60 to 70 is 2. Look at this frequency table is given to you. Now look here you write the less than type CF table. So less than means from 0 to 10 is 2, means you will take the less than 10. Less than 10 is what is 2, means for less than frequency you will use the upper limit. For less than type CF table you will use the upper limit. So you write here less than 10. You write here less than 10. Less than 10 is 2. Very simple. Now here less than 20 will be less than 20. So less than 20 means 3 and 2 you will add. Okay, 3 and 2 you will add. So 3 and 2 what we get? 5. We add, we get 5. Next, less than 30. Less than 30. Less than 30 means up to these two already we added. Now 5 also you have to add. Means 5 will also include when less than 30. Less than 30 means the above all these. Means these two already we done. The sum is 5. Now 5 also we add. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Now less than 40, right? Less than 40. Less than 40. Less than 40. So less than 40 means 6 also we have to add in that. So up to this above 10 already we have, that is already added, means 6 also we add, means 10 plus 6 is a 16 we have. Now less than 50. Less than 50. Less than 50 means this 5 will also we have to add. So up to here already we done the total, that is 16, and this 5 also we add, means 16 and 5 we add, that is get 21. Now less than 60 we will have. Less than 60. And less than 60, look here, this 3 also we have to add. So previous up to here the total already we have 21, and 3 we also add. So 21 plus 3 will be 24 we have. Okay, now less than 70. Less than 70. Less than 70 we add 2 also. So 24 plus 2 is 26. So this type we can find the less than type CF table. This is called a less than type CF table. Similarly we will find the more than type CF. So how we can find more than type CF, that you understand. Same as it is, we will find the more than type CF table. So how we can find out the more than type CF table? More than means, look here 0 to 10. 0 to 10. 0 to 10 is given 2. Means here what we can say, more than 0 we will say. Means you for more than you will use the upper limit. More than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, more than 60 you will use. And what is the total of these? Total is 26. Total is 26. So you can write here that total is 26. Now look here. Here more than 0. More than 0 means all these frequency are more than 0. So you can write here more than equal to 0. More than equal to 0 means all these are more than equal to 0 means all. What is the total of all these? Total of all these 26. So more than 0 is 26. I think you understand this. Now we will write more than 10. More than 10 means, look here, we will include this 2. No, this 2 is between 0 to less than 10, means we will not have here 2 for more than 10. So more than 10, what we do? We subtract this. More than 10 will be these parts, means we will not have these 2. 2 we have to remove, means from this 2 remove. What we get? We remove to 24. Now more than what we write? 20 we write. More than 20. More than equal to 20. More than equal to 20 means this 3 also we have to remove. 2 already we removed. Now 3 also we remove. So if we remove 3 means we have to subtract this 3. Means subtract 3 from here. 21 we will have. 24 minus 3 is 21. Now more than what we write? More than equal to 30 we write. More than equal to 30 means more than equal to 30 means these are the more than equal to 30 means we have to subtract this 5 also. So if we subtract 5 from here, what we get here? 16. From 21 if we subtract 5 you get 16. Now more than 40. More than 40 means this line. More than 40 means we subtract 6. So from here 6 you subtract, what you get? 10. Now more than 50. More than 50 is we have to subtract 5 also. So 5 you subtract from here, we get 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now more than 60. More than 60 means we subtract 3 also. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now look here. You have more than 60 is what is here? 2. And more than 60 here also 2. So hope you understand this. So this type you can convert the frequency distribution table to less than type CF table and more than type CF table. This is a very simple and you understand